All right, first grade. Hope you guys are hungry because we're going to make some sandwiches today. And not peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, not ham and cheese sandwiches, but some A sandwiches. What are you talking about, A sandwiches? Well, I'm talking about some AI sandwiches. Let's look at this word rain here. Here we have the word rain, and it's spelled with an AI. But the reason that it's spelled with an AI is because it's part of a sandwich. So if I take this R and I pretend it's a piece of bread, and I take this N and I pretend it's a piece of bread, look what I got right in between in my sandwich. I have an A and an I. It's an AI sandwich. AI. So if I turn it like this, you can pretend there's a piece of bread on top, a piece of bread on bottom, and there's your AI right in between. AI sandwich. So whenever you have a letter in back and front, you're making a squishy sandwich. So look at this one. Here's another AI sandwich. That's the word mail. And you'll notice piece of bread in front, piece of bread in back, and sandwich in between is the AI. Take a look at this one. Here's another AI sandwich. There's a piece of bread in front, and look at this. This is a fat piece of bread in back. You got two letters, your NT back there. But it's still a sandwich, and look what's in between. AI. Let me show you another one here. Look at this one. You might think that this would be a sandwich because you got a letter in front and you got a letter back here. But look, there's no AI. This is because AY is also a way to say A. The problem with this is it only has one piece of bread. So whenever it has one piece of bread, it's always an AY. Look at this one. This one also has only one piece of bread in front. So because it has one piece of bread, it can't be a sandwich, and it has to be an AY. Take a look at this one. Oh, there it's got the pieces of bread. It's got a big fat piece of bread here with the R blend. And on the end, it has one piece of bread. So you can make a sandwich. AI sandwich. This one, oh, no extra piece of bread. It's got a big fat piece in front, but no other piece of bread in the back. So it's an AY. Come take a look real quick at my board here. This board's kind of showing you a little bit about the sandwiches. You can see in the yellow here, I have a piece of bread, a piece of bread. So it's a sandwich AI. Big fat piece of bread, AI sandwich. Bread, AI sandwich. And look, don't try to eat it. It's just a fake sandwich. There is your AI sandwich. Always a piece of bread or a letter on top, letter on bottom, sandwich in between. Look over here at these ones. AY. Only one piece of bread. It can't be an AI because there's no sandwich. Only one piece of bread. Can't be a sandwich. Still, it's a big fat juicy piece of bread, but it can't be a sandwich, so it's always an AY. Hope that helps you guys find out how to spell AI and AY.